welcome to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching this video. I'm going to share some information with you today that could save you thousands of dollars if you ever have a collision and you have to file a virtual claim in the future. This is a 2004 Lexus with about 145,000 miles on it. That was in the collision. The policy owner filed a virtual claim and he was mailed a check. They mailed him a check out for $1,540.57 was the check that they sent to him in the mail, and that was minus the deductible. The damage is actually worth $5,276.08 is what they should have paid for it. But the insurance companies are gambling that the customer is going to take that first check and just settle the claim and just be done with it. And maybe they don't really know the value of the damage. But if you take it to a collision shop or a professional, they're going to look beneath the panels and be able to see the supplemental damage, as the insurance companies may call it. This car ended up being totaled, and the insurance company paid the policy owner out on the vehicle, and they picked it up. So they basically bought the vehicle from him. But if he had not brought it into the body shop and let me take a look at it and do a supplemental request, he would have been stuck with that $1,500 check. So always get your vehicle looked at or getting a second opinion from a professional or a collision shop. I hope this video has been helpful. Please share it with anyone you think that it may be beneficial to, and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.